All right, thank you, John. Yes, today we are making something that's so good this time of year, and that is a peach pie. My parents found the Fay, Alberta peaches in West Point.
Oh, yeah.
Love those, and so we've got those in the refrigerator, making peaches and cream and
Oh,
thinking
yeah.
of different recipes.
They're the best. Yes.
Yeah, and so you've got a good one here for pie.
Yes, yes, this is pretty simple. That's why we went with simple on this. And you start off, and we put our Jell-O in first, but a package of Jell-O and like 2/3 of a cup of boiling water. And you kind of want your Jell-O to cool off a little bit so you don't get quite so messy. You use 1 cup of ice cream, and mine is really melted, but it's softened ice cream. Okay. And then we'll use a whole tub of your favorite whipped topping.
I never thought about ice cream.
Yeah, I don't know. I saw this online. I was just fooling around online. I'm kind of had troubles finding recipes, and you kind of mix it up, and you just kind of do it, and then you put about 3 or 3.5 cups. 3 cups or 3.5 kind of overflows it, but still you got some left over. And I put it in a purchased big graham cracker crust because there's 2 sizes in the store. But you can also make your own graham cracker crust, a non-bake or either a baked or a non-baked. I prefer the non-baked graham cracker crust, and then put it like in a 10 by 7 or 8 pan or something like that.
Pour this in here.
Yeah, and just pour it in there, and it might run over, but we will be fine.
Yeah, and it's not stirred as well as it should
be. But it'll work, and then you set it in the refrigerator, and then you cut it, and that's what it looks like. And it's just delicious, and it's so easy. Like how fast was that? Yeah. And the 3.5 cups of peaches, 3 cups of peaches, is like 3 peaches. And you can tweak it any way you want. And I thought of that after I stirred it up. I thought, oh, that would work with strawberry Jell-O and strawberries, also the same thing, but with strawberries. So it's super simple, super easy. You can have it done in, an hour or so. Let it set an hour. And
really refreshing.
And if you don't even want to use a crust, you can just make it as a salad. It's delicious just that way without the crust even.
Good point. All right. So we did show the recipe on the screen, but we do have it on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Karol, love it. Creamy, fresh peach pie.
Thank you, and thanks for having us.
All right.
Love it when you have us.
Back to you, John.